Hello student, welcome in our mathematics subject standard 6 chapter number 7 fractions. As we know very well, fractions is a type of number. We can see here introduction what is a very interesting thing is given. Subhas had learned about fractions in class 4 and 5th also, so whenever possible he would try to use fractions. One occasion was when he forgot his lunch at home. His friend Farida invited him to share her lunch. She had 5 puris in her lunch box. So Subhas and Farida took 2 puris each. Then Farida made 2 equal halves of the 5th puri and gave one half to Subhas and took the other half herself. Thus both Subhas and Farida had 2 full puris and 1 half puris. Is it not? Yes, correct. See the pictures also. Now, where do you come across situation with fractions in your life? Yes, Subhas knew. So in daily life, fraction is involved. Written is 1 by 2. Is it here? Yeah. Or 1 by 2 also cutting in 2 parts. That is giving a 1 by 4. Picture is there. 1 by 2, 1 by half. Yes or not? Half puri is half. Is a 1 by 2. 1/4 part. So 1 by 4th. Yes, my dear student. Look at here. Pictures are given. How many total part are there? And then how many are selected? You just have to write out. Yes. Very good student. 3 out of 7. Yes, 3 by 7. पहला picture का. दूसरे का 1 by 8. Correct answer. Fraction is a number representing parts of a wall. The wall may be a single object or a group of objects. So here they have a parts to the equal. Fractions are given in how to read out. 5 upon 12. Is it there right? Or you can say 5/12. 5/12. Good answer, beta. Play this game. Play game is there, textbook, you can use it and play very nicely. Exercise questions are there. You can be very easy questions, this one. Check out. We will discuss in our next sessions. Yes, my dear student, now topic 7.3, fractions on the number line. Be careful, number lines. Yes. Number line are shown, all numbers only, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, beta? Yes, that we are knowing very well. But can you mark 1 upon 2? Half कैसे लिखेंगे? कहाँ आएगा आप? Yes, 1 by 2 will come between 0 and 1. Is it? Yes. See. So I will write a number line 0 and 1 only. Exactly half part. Middle में I would make the circle. And writing 1 by 2. Suppose 1 by 3 is there, no problem. Make 3 part of 0 to 1 and select first part 1. If 2 by 3, then I select the second part 2 by 3. Yes, my dear student, here 2 by 3 also there. And last 1, how it is a 1? 1 is not there, 3 of 3. 3 of 3 is equal to 1. See the picture. Yes. Which makes a whole number. Is it? Yes, very good. 0 upon 7 is possible? That is 0 only. 7 upon 7 means 7 only. Proper fraction. New definition. A fraction is divided into 2 parts. Upper part is a numerator, down part is a denominator. Whenever the numerator is smaller than denominator, it's a proper fraction. Is it? Yes. Here the whole lesson is going on this Subhas and Farida. We are not taking time for to give the one things. All these fractions lies to the left of ones, or you can say less than 1. Proper fraction का answer always 1 से कम मिलेगा. इम्प्रॉपर और ए मिक्स नंबर. 3 स्टूडेंट है, 4 स्टूडेंट है, ग्रुप में बैठे हैं. देयर फूड्स आर देयर एंड दे आर हैविंग ए 5 एप्पल्स. कैसे करेंगे बेटा? 4 स्टूडेंट 5 एप्पल. पहले एक एक ले लेंगे. 4 गए, 1 बचा. नाउ क्या करेंगे? एक का pieces. Yes, it should be pieces. So 4 pieces is there, 1 and 1/4. Yes, good answer, beta. See, names are there and they are each and everyone are getting cutting. Or you can say now new things. Wall apple also cut in equal parts. 5 parts. Is it now 5 parts? Yes. So 5 divided by 4, or you can write 5 by 4. That's called the improper fraction. Why improper? Because numerator is bigger than denominator. Yes? Very good. Or you can write 1 and 1 by 4. That's a mixed number. That we'll discuss in afterwards. 3 upon 2, 12 upon 7, 18 upon 5. These are the example of improper fractions. Is it or not? Yes. Or whenever you are writing 1 and 1 upon 4, it is called the mixed number. See, it is written here in last line. Yes? Very good. 1 apple means wall number, integers. Here 2 apples, 2 things, 2 puris and 1/2 puris. 2 and half. It is also a mixed number. It is called the mixed fraction, mixed number. Yes. So here it's a combination of integer plus proper fraction. Good answer. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. वहाँ उल्टा नहीं होगा बेटा. Yes. Example C. Express the following as a mixed number. 14 upon 4. क्या करेंगे बेटा उसको? Division. Division you are knowing or forgot? See. How to divide? 17 divided by 4. 4 4 is 16 minus 8. 1 is the leftover. Now you have to write. This is a quotient. ये जो ऊपर है वो पहले लिखेंगे बेटा इधर. बाद में जो नीचे वाला है वो ऊपर चला जाएगा न्यूमरेटर में. और डिनोमिनेटर में as it is. Is it? Correct. Denominator as it is. ऊपर जो आंसर है वो गया नीचे वाला ऊपर चला गया. 11 by 3 आंसर आ गया 3 2 by 3. बराबर है? गुड. और आप उससे दूसरे भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसे डिवाइड अल्टरनेटिव मेथड्स. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज, बट फॉर योर नॉलेज. Quotient, remainder and divisor. Divisor means a denominator only. Correct. Now express the mixed fractions into improper fraction. क्या करेंगे बेटा? Cycle. Yes. You are knowing cycles very well. See how to do this one. 2 plus 3 upon 4. Or I will give you a simple method. इसका दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करो बेटा. 2 4 जा 8. 8 के ऊपर जो ऊपर वाला नंबर है न्यूमरेटर उसको प्लस कर दो. प्लस साइन 11 विल बी ऊपर, डिनोमिनेटर में एज इट इज. इधर भी डिनोमिनेटर जो भी रहेगा वो सेम रहेगा. 11 upon 4. इसका साइकिल चलाओ बेटा. 5 7 जा 35 plus 3 38. 38 upon 7. बात फिनिश्ड. क्लियर? Very good. Denominator, whole number, whole denominators. Okay. Multiply sign is not given. You can just check out. 7.2 questions are there. We can discuss afterwards. Equivalent fraction. New topic is here, students. See, I am having 3 Cadbury's. 7.10 figure. मान लो एक कैडबरी है, बिस्किट है या कुछ भी चीज है. उसको मैंने पहले के 2 पार्ट किए. I made it 2 holes. सेकंड में 4 holes, 4 parts. थर्ड का 6 पार्ट कर दिया. But you can see the shaded part. Can you see? In each and every figure, shaded part is exactly half. That means these all are the equal. I given the number of time example to our students. Suppose there are your younger brother or sister and your papa brought a Cadbury. You can make it 2 piece. आधा आधा करेंगे. आधा मेरा आधा उसका. तो रोने लगेगा. She will cry or he will cry. I want 2. Now you take one more thing. You can cut it 2 parts. 4 parts. Take one you, second you, one to her or he, him or second. Now you have 2 parts. Again she is crying or he is crying. I want 3. Make it 6 part. 1 2 3. You can take 1 2 3 them. Now he will be happy. I got my wish. Correct, students, but it is exactly equivalent. Same thing. He got only or she got only half. See, the equivalent fractions, understanding how 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6. Tables is going on. Multiples. Yes, you are right, my dear student. Multiples are there. Actually, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. 3 times multiplications only. To find an equivalent fractions of a given fractions, you may multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Yes or no? Yes. See, another way. 4 by 6 is just added here. 2 by 3 is just added here. दो पार्ट कर दिया बेटा. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 टाइम्स ले लिया. इक्वलेंट. दोनों को सेम नंबर से डिवाइड किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया. 12 को 12 3 से और 15 को 3 से. 4 by 5. डिवाइड इट. Yes or no? Answer is 4 by 5. Divide किया. Example number 3. Find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 with numerator 6. नीचे 6 करना चाहिए. We know 2 3s are 6. That means we need to multiply both the numerator and the numerator by 3. Numerator 6 बनाना है बेटा. 2 into 3 6 and 5 into 3 6. Both the number 6. 2 by 2 into 3 6 and 5 into 3 is 15. 6 upon 15 is the equivalent fractions of the given number. Fourth example. Find the equivalent fraction of 15 of 35 with the denominator 7. 7 denominator चाहिए. क्या करेंगे बेटा? 35 है, डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. किससे डिवाइड करेंगे बेटा? यस, आई विल मेक इट लाइक दिस ग्रुप. 7 नीचे चाहिए, ऊपर क्या आएगा मालूम नहीं है. तो क्या किया? 35 के साथ को 7 मिल गया, इसको 5 से डिवाइड किया. नीचे को 5 के किया तो ऊपर को भी 5 को करना पड़ेगा. यस और नो? सी हियर इज द आंसर. ये डिवीजन का साइन है बेटा. दोनों साइड पे डिवाइड. 5 5 से 15 को 5 से किया 3 और 35 को 5 से किया 7. आंसर इज 3 upon 7. An interesting fact. There. Check the table. Product of the numerator of the first and the denominator of the second. Cross multiply करो बेटा. 1 into 9, 3 3s are 9. Product of the numerator of the second and the denominator of the first. First and second is equal to sign है. So are the same product? Yes, it is the same one. Cross multiplication बेटा, इसको बोलते हैं, हम बोलते हैं cross multiplication. Mathematics के sign में देखो. Cross. Yes. इसका इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो. 4 into 35 140 and 5 into 28. Okay, given 140. Both the answer remain same. Yes, very good students. So it is also very helpful in your upper classes. Find the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 9 with the denominator 63. 9 की जगह पे 63 करना है तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बेटा? 7 से. 7 से नीचे हुआ तो न्यूमरेटर भी मांगेगा बेटा. यस, 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, बात खत्म हो गई. 7 to the 14. 14 upon 63 is the equivalent of this given number. Simple form of a fraction. Simple form means beta, just you can cut it up to the lowest number. 18 divided by 27. These both numbers are coming in some table. Common thing is there. 9 के टेबल में आता है दोनों. Yes. 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. Answer is 2 upon 3. 2 and 3 has no relation. A fraction is said to be in the simplest or a lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor. We can say factor except 1. 1 तो रहेगा, तो every factor. 1 is a factor of every number. The shortest way कैसे करेंगे बेटा? HCF निकाल दो उसका बेटा. HCF हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर दोनों का निकालो, उससे डिवाइड कर दो. HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. 12 से डिवाइड कर दो, बात खत्म. उससे कुछ नहीं होगा आगे. 7.3 का देखो बेटा. एग्जांपल्स वेरी आर इंटरेस्टिंग. पहले आपको क्या करने में लाइक फ्रैक्शन के बारे में देखते बेटा. फ्रैक्शन विथ सेम डिनोमिनेटर आर कॉल्ड द लाइक फ्रैक्शंस। अरे क्या बात है, 1/15, 2/15, 3/15, 8/15, सब में 15 थे, लाइक फ्रैक्शन बोलेंगे। तो अनलाइक का क्या होगा? वेरी सिंपल, जिसका डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं होगा वो अनलाइक होगा। The denominator are different, therefore are not like fractions. 7/27 and 7/28. एक में 7 7 है, पर न्यूमरेटर सेम है, डिनोमिनेटर अलग है। तो चेक क्या करना है? डिनोमिनेटर नीचे की साइज देखने की है। करेक्ट। कंपेयरिंग फ्रैक्शंस, यस वेरी गुड थिंग। ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन, नंबर को आप तो बहुत पता चल गया अभी कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है। तो फ्रैक्शंस में भी यू हैव टू लर्न which is the greater or which is the smallest, 1/2 or 1/3, which is the greater or smaller, you have to find out. First of all, we can compare it 1/2 and 1/3 with the picture. पिक्चर आपके सामने 1/2 इतना है, 1/3 इतना है, 1/4 इतना है, 1/5 इतना है। एक पिक्चर का 5 भाग किया, एक का 2 किया, एक का 3 किया, एक का 4 किया। पिक्चर से शेडेड पार्ट यू कैन फाइंड आउट। कौन बड़ा है बेटा? 1/2 बड़ा है, 1/5 छोटा है, 1/3 छोटा है। Yes. So from the picture also you can see, but every time you are not drawing the pictures. How to remember these things? Very easy. You just check out whenever the numerator is common. Common means same. You have to check out who is the smaller denominator. Clear? Let the check comparing like fractions. सब में like fraction बनाओ। Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. Each of these are like fractions. इसमें सबको ढूंढ सकेंगे बेटा? फाइंड आउट करो। 5 वाला सब निकाल दो एक साथ। 2 वाला है नहीं है, 4 वाला है एक ही है, 7 वाला एक ही है, 5 वाला निकलेगा। सी कंपेयर 3/8 और 5/8, कौन बड़ा दिखता है? 5/8। Whenever denominator are common, ऊपर वाला नंबर जो बड़ा है वो बड़ा रहेगा। और यू कैन से इन प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, इसमें भी प्रॉपर आ गया देखो, 3.5 1 2/3 3/4 also proper fractions. So here you can say parts whenever denominator are common and we can find out the numerator is bigger. Okay, correct. Now look at the here comparing unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means two fractions are unlike if they have different denominators. One is 3 and one is 5. 1/3 and 1/5, or you can say 2/3 and 3/5. सब अलग अलग कर दिया। चलो unlike fraction with the same numerator हो सकता है। 1/3 और 1/5 में क्या होता है देखो, is it? Yes, we can say it's a 1/3 or 1/5. Greater is 1/3. 3 equal parts and 1/5 में 5 divided by yes 1. The whole divided into the smaller number of a paired parts, that is a 1/5. The equal part that we get 1/3. Larger equal part we can get 1/5. That's why 1/3 is greater than 1/5. Yes, beta. Yes. The same way 2/3 is greater than 2/5. Yes. The denominator smaller is greater than. I just said before also, and once again I remind it. Okay, you can compare like as it is. 1 1 है तो छोटा नंबर बड़ा रहेगा डिनोमिनेटर का, ऊपर वाला जो दोनों सेम है तो नीचे वाला छोटा बड़ा बनेगा। समझ गया बेटा? ओके, बट उससे उल्टा होगा, जब डिनोमिनेटर आर सेम तो क्या करेंगे बेटा? हाँ, डिनोमिनेटर का सेम का मतलब भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना हमको। इसके लिए भी हमने बताया था न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर। यस, लेट अस इक्वल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द बोथ 2/3 and 3/4। इक्वल फ्रैक्शन बनाने का मल्टीप्लाई करते जाओ बेटा। 2 multiplied by 2 4, 3 multiplied by 2 6, yes 3/4, 6/8, 9/12, etc. Example number 6, compare 4/5 and 5/6। क्या करेंगे बेटा? इक्वल फ्रैक्शन बनाओ। The fractions are unlike fractions. Unlike means दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर अलग अलग है। Their numerators are different too. Let us write their equivalent fractions. आगे बनाते जाओ, डॉट डॉट डॉट। देख लिया बेटा, कहीं पे भी वो इकट्ठा हो रहा है। The equivalent fractions with the same denominator are 4/5, that means 24/30, and 5 by 6 is equal to 25 upon 30. देखो डिनोमिनेटर 30 मिल गया, डिनोमिनेटर 30 मिल गया, तो कौन बड़ा है बेटा? न्यूमरेटर 25, 25 is greater. 25 वाला कौन है बेटा? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 5. That's why here greater than sign will come here. क्योंकि ये बड़ा है, इसके लिए ये बड़ा हो सकता है. Okay? Yes. Example number 7. Compare 5 upon 6 and 13 upon 15. क्या करेंगे बेटा? अभी मैं आपको इजी मेथड बाद में बताऊंगा. 5 5 जा 25 upon 30 and 15 का 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो 30. 25 and 26. Again you had the answer. 13 upon 15 is greater than 5 upon 6. Why LCM? Product of 6 and 15 is 90. 15 6 जा. किसका लिया बेटा? 6 और 15 डिनोमिनेटर का लिया. 90 is also a common multiple of 6 and 15. We may use 90 instead of 30. It will not be wrong, but we know that it is easier and more convenient to work with smaller numbers. So the common multiple that we take is as small as possible. This is why the LCM of the denominators of the fractions is preferred as the common denominator. Okay? Let's check the exercise 7.4 afterwards, but very easy way. Now you had the idea to solve and color it also. Some questions were there, 9, 10. Now 7.10 point addition and subtraction of fractions. Like is a normal numbers, natural whole numbers, addition, subtractions. We can do here with the fractions also, students. Are you ready? Yes, correct. So here is the some examples you can find out. 7 into 4. That means 7 this side and 4 this side. Numbers are there. 2 numbers are there with colorful. How many total are there? 28. पहले में कितना सिलेक्टेड है बेटा? पहला नंबर 5 by 28. दूसरे में कितना है? 4 सिलेक्टेड है. Can you see this one? The picture. First number is this one. Second number is this one. पहले में 5 शेडेड है तो 5 upon 28 बेटा. दूसरे में 4 शेडेड है तो 4 upon 28. क्या करेंगे बेटा? इतने लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कुछ नहीं करना है बेटा. लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कॉमन जो भी है वो एक बार लिख दो. 28 ऊपर क्या है बेटा? 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 means 9 upon 28. Is it? Clear? Good. See, 1 by 2 by 4 and 3 by 9. 2 by 4 means 1 by 4, correct? And here 3 by 9 means 1 by 3. Why I did this one? I want to make it say like type fractions, or you can say simplest form. Now 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Add the numerator and write the LCM of the numbers. 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. दोनों common है, write down कर दो. Finding the balance. Good question is there. Sarmila had 5 by 6 of a cake. She gave 2/6 out of that to her younger brother. How much cake is left with her? क्या करेंगे बेटा? Addition, subtraction, subtraction. So 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Daily life also it is there. See, mathematics is related with our daily life. That means 5 by 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, or downside 6. 3 upon 6. Can relation is there? Yes. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So this is the 1 by 2 is the final answer. Pictures are given. Take out some parts. Subtractions. Yes, very good beta. 3 upon 10 and 8 upon 10. Both are there. 7.5 examples. Very good questions are there related with their addition or subtraction you have to find out. Oh, very good. Solve. And 5 questions are there. Now 10.2. Adding and subtracting fractions very fast without doing any one. Yes. Cross multiply. I just said. 2 को इसके साथ करो, 5 को इसके साथ करो. बात खत्म. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5, that means 5 upon 10 minus 2 upon 10. कैसा है? आपको समझ में आ गया? फिर से समझाओ. ये 5 को इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, 5 को नीचे किया. और 5 टू इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. यस, 5/10 and -2/10. Both denominator are common. Yes, 10 is there. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3/10. LCM of 2 and 5 is equal to 10. और दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. 4 6 का मल्टीप्लाई करके कर सकते हैं आप. क्लियर? और उसका 12 भी निकाल सकते हैं. 12 is also LCM. 24 करके भी निकाल सकते हैं. Yes, very good. 2/5 and 5/3. 5 is a 15. 15 is their answer and 11 is the addition. 3/5 minus 7/20. तो उसका LCM बनेगा बेटा 5 to 100 मत करो, उसका 20 ही रहेगा. तो नीचे का नंबर के साथ कुछ मल्टीप्लाई किए. सेकंड नंबर इज नो मल्टीप्लिकेशन बिकॉज 3/5 हैज टू मेक एज 20 डिनोमिनेटर. I want to multiply with 4. 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. Now 12/20 minus 7/20. That gives me a 5/20. And 5 and 20 is the relation. That's why 5 cut. 5 1s are 5 and yes, 5 4s are 20. So 1/4 is the answer. Is it? How do we add or subtract mixed fractions? Very easily. Mixed fractions can be written either as a whole part plus fractions or converting to the improper fractions. You can do anyway. Anyhow. So 2 plus 2, 4/5 plus 3, 5/6. 2 plus this one, 2 plus 3, 5. और बाकी के पीछे का सब्ट्रैक्शन तो आप जानते हैं बेटा, कर सकते हैं LCM लेके. फाइनल आंसर 6 19/30. क्यों 6 आ गया बेटा, 5 आया था? बिकॉज इट्स इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. डिस्कस 12 नंबर एग्जांपल. सब्ट्रैक्शन है, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. 4 + 2 6 नहीं, 4 - 2 2. सॉरी, प्लस नहीं है, माइनस है. सॉरी हियर सी 4 - 2. और बाकी का फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट 2/5 - 1/5. ये तो आराम से कर सकते बेटा. 1/5. आंसर इज 2 1/5. 13/1. इजी. साइकिल करके भी कर सकते हैं मिक्स नंबर से. 33/4 - 17/6. साइकिलिंग. LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Make it easy. Very good questions are given here in this exercise. What we have discussed, some points are important. We can just check out. Part of a wall. 5/7 में क्या होता है बेटा? 5 is a numerator and 7 is a denominator. Very good. नंबर लाइन पे दिखा सकते हैं बेटा उसको. वेरी गुड. जब न्यूमरेटर स्मॉलर है, डिनोमिनेटर तो क्या अवेलेबल, उसको प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बोलते हैं. वेरी गुड. इम्प्रॉपर का भी मिल गया आंसर आपको. यस. मिक्स नंबर का भी मिल गया बेटा. यस. इक्वल फ्रैक्शन भी होता है सभी का. यस. मल्टीप्लाई विद द सेम न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर नंबर. इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शन के बाद में समझ में आया? नहीं आया? इक्वलेंट में क्या करते हैं बेटा? जैसे आपके पास 3/5 है तो इसका इक्वलेंट क्या करेंगे बेटा? इसको 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो और 5 को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. क्या आंसर मिला बेटा? 6/10. 6/10 is the equivalent fraction of 3/5. Value remains same. Okay, good. Now 6th last point is that fraction is said to be in the simplest or lowest form. Numerator and denominator have no common factors. डिवीजन नहीं होना चाहिए. जैसे कि आपको मैं एग्जांपल दूं, 4/12. 4/12 means here relation is there. 4/3 into 4 लिख सकते हैं बेटा. Yes or no? It's a factor of 12. Cut the 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. Now what is the left here? 1 on the numerator side and 3 into 1, 3. 1/3 is the simplest form of 4/12. This is the simplest example. Or you can do directly 6. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 1/3 is the final answer. Easy. Type of fractions also, once again I remind you how to do addition and subtractions, comparing the fractions, everything we discussed. So here we end up our introductions. We will meet in exercise. Till there, bye bye. Take care. Be safe.